Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you some helpful tips on how to make your Wi-Fi faster for iOS devices. Let's get started. But before we do, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button for more tutorials like these. So, first, try restarting your router and your iOS device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues and improve your Wi-Fi speed. And the next tip is make sure your iOS device is running the latest software. So just update your device and see if that works. The third tip is moving closer to the router or your internet. The distance between your device and the router can affect your Wi-Fi speed. Try moving closer to the router to get a stronger signal. And 4, just turn off your Wi-Fi by doing this and wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. See if that works. And tip number 5 is to limit background apps. Background apps can consume bandwidth, slowing your Wi-Fi, and closing them can help your Wi-Fi run a little faster. To close them, just simply swipe up and then swipe up on the apps that you won't be needing, and you're done. Your Wi-Fi is surely faster now on your iOS device, and if this video helped, make sure to click like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.